In our previous tutorial, we have seen how to open an image using Python PIL imaging library. And then we transform the image using NumPy into arrays. And we used matplotlib to display the image. By using OpenCV library, we can actually make these steps a little shorter. We will see how OpenCV can be used to directly read an image as an array and display it using matplotlib. So in this tutorial, we are going to finally use the OpenCV Cv2 function to load the image. Let's import numpy as np. We are going to keep this numpy, that's why I'm importing it. Then we are going to import matplotlib, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, percentage matplotlib inline. And now I'm going to import OpenCV as Cv2. I will write import Cv2. Now we are going to load the image using Cv2, and when we load this image, we don't need to convert it into NumPy array as we were doing in our previous tutorial. So let's import our image. So I'll make one variable image, and then I will call Cv2. From this, we have to use the function imread, and inside this we will pass the name of the image, and the name is docimage.jpg, and then let's execute our code. Now you see that we have read image directly into the NumPy array. So I'll show you the type of this image. I will write here type of image, and you can see that it is NumPy nd array. So we don't need to first convert the image into NumPy array. Those steps are gone now. Now let us also look at the shape of this image. I will write here image.shape. So the shape is 2250 height and 3000 is width. 3 is color channel, that is RGB. Now let us display the image. So we will use the function from matplotlib. We will use imshow. I will write here plt.imshow, and I will pass here image, and this will display the image. Now you must have noticed that the color of the image is weird. It is not matching with the original image, and this happened because matplotlib and OpenCV expects different order of RGB channel, that is red, green and blue. So if I show you the original image, so this is the original image, and you will see there is a difference in color. So if I compare it with the one that I have just read, so the color is different, and this is because I'll write it here. So what happens in matplotlib, the color channel is RGB, that is first red, then green and then blue. So this is the color channel in matplotlib. And now we have opened the image using OpenCV Cv2, and here the color channel is different. So I will write here OpenCV, and here the order is different. The color channel is same, the order is different. So here we have first B, G, R. So first we will have, so I'll write here, first we will have blue, then green and then red. So now if you see, this green and green, they are same, and the other one, so here we see the opposite, red and blue, blue and red, and that is why we see a different color when we are loading this image. So whenever you are loading your image using Cv2, then you need to convert this image in the order of RGB so that you will get the original color of your image, and let's do that. So I'll make a new variable here, and let's see, I will write here image underscore new, and then I will call Cv2, and from this I will call the method Cv2 color. Inside this we have to pass our variable name of image. So this is image img, so I'll pass here img. Then this is the first parameter, we have to pass our image, and the second parameter is we have to write cv2 dot, and this will be in caps lock color. So this is a function underscore. So this image, OpenCV image, is bgr, so I will write here bgr, and then we have to convert it into RGB, so I will write here first 2 and then RGB. So if I press tab here, so you can see this function bgr to RGB, so I will select this, and now I'm going to plot this image, new image, plt imshow, and then image underscore new, and now we should get the original color. Let us execute the code. Now it's loading. So here in the output you can see now we got the original color of our image. So now you understood the difference. So whenever you are reading your image using OpenCV CV2, you will get image of this color because the matplotlib considers RGB in this order and the OpenCV considers in this order BGR. So there is a clash, or there is opposite color between red and blue, and green is same, therefore you will see some green here, but you won't be able to see red and blue more in the picture. So you always need to convert your image into RGB color, and you just need this line of code. So it's very easy, and once you convert it you will get your image in your original size or original color. So that's all for this tutorial. I wanted to show you how you can use CV2 to load your image and overcome the steps of converting your image into NumPy array, as it directly converts your image into NumPy array. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.